Welcome. Today I am with Apple AirTag and I will show you how you can change icon of this device. So at the first you have to go for the Find My application, and of course you have to remember about a few things, that you have to enable Wi-Fi or mobile data, Bluetooth, and also location services. Right now when you are here on the items, we have to tap on our Apple AirTag. Okay, let's close the notification. Next we have to open it like that and click to rename item. When we are here, we have to tap on the name, here on the icon if you want to change icon. And right now, for example, we can pick maybe this one. Yeah, okay. So if you want to apply, just click on the right upper corner, then click done, and as you can see right now, the icon of our Apple AirTag has changed. And it was pretty simple. So if you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.